Virtual Private Networks (VPN). In this unit, you will learn about different technologies that can be used to secure an IT infrastructure. This is part of our network security module. Remember to watch all our network security videos in its entirety. In this video, we will start by looking at a mechanism that can be used to reduce the security threat to a typical modern-day organization. It is obvious that a modern-day organization, such as a school, will have both lots of staff, students, and stakeholders from different geographic location, constantly needing remote access to the organization's computer system. Such need for remote access comes with inherent security risks that must be managed efficiently with a VPN, which stands for a virtual private network. You will learn how to set up and configure a virtual private network to safely connect between end-user devices and remote networks. Bear in mind that end-user devices such as tablets, smartphones, and laptops will be provided during the practical sessions. We will also look at the different protocols that are used for VPNs, namely Transport Layer Security, TLS, and IPsec. We will look at the pros and cons of each protocol. We will also discuss machine authentication and client certificates. You will learn the pros and cons of certificates and pre-shared keys (PSKs). We will delve deeply into split tunneling and captive portals. Remember to watch our video on TCP/IP protocol and OSI model. Because there is no such thing as 100% security, you will develop a better understanding of how weaker profiles or algorithms can greatly increase the risk of data compromise while in transit on a VPN network. Further down in this tutorial, we will explore integrated vs third-party VPN clients, as well as forced and optional VPN. Finally, you will learn how to initiate a VPN connection and how to implement the following behavior: automatic, triggered, and manual. Thank you for watching. Remember to watch our video tutorial on firewalls. This is Faith Media Platform Educational Resource Production.